Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here at our property again today. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little update. I just put up a video that was actually filmed in April, I think, where I was showing you some volunteer plants that we got out of the compost bin. And some of those plants were little raspberries. I just want to show you guys that I planted those out not long after that video was filmed. So this is going back about 2 months ago. And you can see that they're all doing really well right here along our neighbor wall here, and you can see a bunch of them, you know, kind of from back here all around. I planted this little patch, and we're going to be expanding. This is kind of near our main mulch bed here on the side, which I've shown you guys multiple times. And then the new apple trees that we planted here. There's a little rock garden that my wife has been working on. A bunch of flowers here. Everything's really rainy right now, so everything's kind of drooped down. It's not looking super presentable. Also, the weeds were getting big here, so I was just doing a little bit of scything, taking down some of the grass here. And yeah, this apple tree's looking good. The other one's looking great. And these little raspberries are doing great now too. And I just wanted to show it to you guys, and also just talk a little bit more about the mulch here. You know, the other day I did the video about the strawberries that we grew from seed, and talked a little bit about nature and how, you know, things take a little bit longer than we always kind of want and hope. But you gotta kind of roll with the punches and just take it as it comes. This little area here, I wanted to expand last year. So this actually got mulched, and you can still see some of the cardboard, which hasn't fully dissolved yet, underneath here. And we mulched this area, and then never got planted. Then it got grown over with weeds. And then earlier this spring, we came in here and like de-weeded this and planted these little raspberries. But you can already see that they're doing great, and they've grown quite a bit since we planted them. And I think this is going to be a great little area for, you know, next year. And this is just kind of reiterating that message that, like, you have to put in the work now, you get the rewards later, but you have to be patient. You can't just like expect everything to be, you know, going all at once. So yeah, things have their own little timeline that they follow. And if you just kind of keep at it, keep going, you know, then things will work out for you. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys real quick that these plants are doing great. A lot of life here. Put a little rosemary over here. Where is it? Right here. Got this one also from my mother. Rooted this from a cutting, and I showed you the other one near the strawberries. So I put one here, and then we got 3 more from my brother, which I still have to plant out, and a gooseberry plant as well. Did a little bit more planting today. Did this Yosta berry bush over here in the middle of the strawberries and near the what do you call it? The sage plants, which are looking beautiful here. They're in flower now. They look really good. This one's all in flower as well, except it kind of fell over from all the rain. It's been raining pretty much every day now for like a week. But things are looking good. You know, the strawberries are starting to ripen. I'm kind of surprised because there hasn't really been much sunshine, but we've been getting a little small handful of strawberries just about every day, both here and at my in-laws' place. So that's been pretty cool. I planted out a couple more sweet potatoes. You probably see the little tubers sticking out there. Those were what I was using to get these slips. So these slips are the ones I planted out first. And then I planted these now, and also that little slip there in the middle. So we'll see how that goes. Got a lot of stuff to look forward to this year. And yeah, just going to keep working on stuff, and hopefully things will keep you know, propagating themselves, keep getting more volunteer plants, and we'll get more and more fruit as the years progress. That's the plan. So anyway, just wanted to show that to you guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and hope everybody's doing well, and hope everybody's you know, gardening or starting a garden or thinking about a garden or planning a garden. I think it's like really important. Should have a video coming up pretty soon where I talk about the self-reliance and self-sufficiency and stuff. I'm looking forward to making that one as well. So stick with me, make sure to subscribe if you haven't signed up, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.